무쌍한 세상 홀로 걸어가기엔 너무 힘들고 두려울 땐 두 눈을 감아본다. 날 사랑하는 가족, 날 의지하는 친구, 세상 변해도 변함이 없이 내 곁에 함께하네. 우리 가는 길 때론 평탄치 않고 막막해 보인다 해도 우리가 걸어가는 길은 하늘이 바라는 길이니 우리도 훗날 제왕나비처럼 언젠가 꿈을 이루리. 부모님 꿈꾸는 세상이 이루어질 그날까지 나아가리라. 변화무 상한 세상 홀로 걸어가기에 너무 힘들고 두려울 때 두 눈을 감아본다. 날 사랑하는 가족, 날 의지하는 친구, 세상 변해도 변함이 없이 내 곁에 함께하네. 우리 가는 길 때로 평탄치 않고 막막해 보인다 해도 우리가 걸어가는 길은 하늘이 바라는 길이니 우리도 훗날 제왕나비처럼 언젠간 꿈을 이루리. 부모님 꿈꾸는 세상이 이루어질 그날까지 나아가리라. 이 험한 세상 두렵더라도 부모님께서 가시는 이 길 우리들도 걸어가리. 그것이 자녀의 도리니 우리 가는 길 때로 평탄치 않고 막막해 보인다 해도 우리가 걸어가는 길은 하늘이 바라는 길이니 우리도 훗날 제왕나비처럼 언젠가 꿈을 이루리. 부모님 꿈꾸는 세상이 이루어질 그날까지 우리도 훗날 제왕나비처럼 언젠가 꿈을 이루리. 부모님 꿈꾸는 세상을 꼭 이루어드리리라. 꼭 이루어드리리라.
Good evening, dear sisters throughout Korea. How are you doing?
Good evening po.
Oh, sorry. Yes, thank you so much for sharing your time again tonight for our third week of our Hyojong camp. And this time, before we start, let us offer our vow of gratitude to Heavenly Parent and True Parents. 차렷, 경배. Paro. Now I would like to request our sister Rowena Abad from Ulsan Church to give the opening prayer.
Okay, let us all pray. Dear Heavenly Parent and true parents, we come before you this evening with hearts full of gratitude, love, and humility. Thank you for gathering us together once again under your care and guidance. We are grateful for the gift of life, for your constant love, and for the opportunity to grow closer to you and to one another. Heavenly Parent, as we gather to learn about building healthy relationships, please open our hearts to receive your wisdom and guidance. Help us understand that true relationships are not built through words alone, but through sincere love, genuine care, and living for the sake of others. May we learn to build relationships that reflect your heart and bring joy to heaven. Please help us to see every person through your eyes. Teach us to recognize the beauty, value, and potential that you have placed within each individual. May we learn to love people, not for what they can do for us, but simply because they are your precious children. Help us see others as objects of your love and our devotion. Grant us our hearts that are kind, patient, and understanding. Help us to listen more carefully, speak more gently, and care more sincerely for those around us. Remove any selfishness, pride, judgment, resentment, or misunderstanding that may create barriers between people. Instead, fill us with compassion, empathy, forgiveness, and genuine concern for others. Heavenly Parent, help us become people who bring comfort to those who are lonely, encouragement to those who are discouraged, and hope to those who are struggling. May our words and action reflect your love and become a source of healing and strength for others. Teach us to invest in people with patience and faith, believing the goodness and potential you have placed within them. Help us build relationships centered on the needs of others. Give us the sensitivity to ask, how can I help? How can I serve? How can I bring happiness to this person? May our relationship be rooted in true love, trust, respect, and a sincere desire to uplift one another. Please bless all participants to this English 16-week Hyojung camp. May this gathering strengthen our faith, deepen our relationship, and inspire us to practice Hyojung in our daily lives. Help us become channels through which your love can flow to our families, neighbors, communities, and all those whom we met. We also offer our sincere prayers for our beloved Holy Mother Han. Please, please, surround her with your protection, health, strength, and comfort. May we become the sons and daughters who bring you into heaven and contribute to the fulfillment of your providence through our absolute faith, absolute attendance, and absolute love. As we spend this time together, may the Holy Spirit guide every word, every thought, and every interaction. Let this be a time of inspiration, growth, and heartfelt connection. May we live today renewed in spirit, and determined to practice greater love, understanding, and healing in our relationship. We offer all of these prayers with gratitude and sincerity. In the name of Rowena, a blessed family attending our beloved Holy Mother Han. Adieu.
Aju. Aju. Thank you so much, Sister Rowena, for that very heartfelt and moving prayer. So this time, please help me welcome our Leonor Timjanim to talk about the lesson 2, building hidden relationships. Let's give her a warm round of applause.
Yes, good evening, everyone. Today, I prepared a video for our lesson today so that I will not miss anything. And please listen to the lesson for today. Campers, welcome. Welcome back to the 16-week Jojong Camp. Today, we will move on to lesson 2. The title is Jojong Relationship Building. The purpose of this session is to make it a part of our daily lives to establish a relationship with our original mind and a heavenly give and take relationship with our VIP. So what should be focused during this session? We must be aware of our needs and the needs of our VIPs and focus on what, where, when, and how to help them. The things that we need to prepare before conducting the sessions are VIP cards, action log report, behavior analysis chart, or what we call the DISC, vision, mission statement, and the covenant of our teams. Building relationships is a life that guides the daily goals and actions of Yojong team members. The establishment of Chonilguk is based on Chonilguk people. Therefore, the lives of our family members must build a strong, filial, and true love relationship with our neighbors to create the people of Chonilguk with a spirit of practicing Yojong. We focus on constantly creating Jojong relationships. Jojong is a culture in which true mother has a deep intention to transform human culture into Jojong culture after Foundation Day. Until now, it has been a culture where Heavenly Mother was concealed from the perspective of Heavenly Father culture. In order to transform to the culture advocated by the Heavenly Parent Holy Community, we must go beyond what is characterized as a male-centered culture on fathers and become a culture overflowing with motherly love and sacrifice. A culture steeped in maternal love, where giving and giving seem not enough. Therefore, the Yojong relationship is a relationship in which Heavenly Mother's filial love is felt and shown by giving everything to the other person. A healthy Yojong team is characterized by a deep interest in the following 4 things. First, they understand that evangelism is a process of practicing filial piety rather than events or goals. Evangelism is not an event to achieve a goal, but rather a process of farming with a heart of filial piety for all things. For farmers, farming is a life. According to research, the probability of evangelism through daily life relationships is much higher than the programs. Second, rather than aiming for others to receive the blessing during evangelism, The focus is on creating Hyojong leaders. When the invited persons become Hyojong leaders, the Hyojong idea would not only be for themselves. Of course, they would also lead their own families and societies. This means that everyone has divinity in them, so the Jongwa Jongsong of the team is needed to help them become their true selves. In other words, the team helps in making them aware of their original minds. If we are faithful to this, people will change and witnessing and blessings will naturally follow. Let's ask the question, what is the fruit of the apple tree? Of course, the answer will be apple. Rather, I would like to answer that the fruit of the apple tree is an apple tree. Please think about what this means. The Hyojong relationship is not just for evangelism. We should consider this as a process to raise Hyojong leaders. What if we became farmers and grew the seeds of apples into apple trees? The apple tree bears a large number of apples. Evangelism is not about picking an apple, but about growing an apple tree. Third, evangelism focuses on establishing Hyojong relationships. Rather than conveying and teaching knowledge, this relationship allows us to realize that Heavenly Parent lives within us and the other persons. This is like building a bridge of true love and filial piety relationship. Building Hyojong relationships is not just about forming relationships with external VIPs. The top priority is for the evangelist to establish a strong heavenly give-and-take relationship with Heavenly Parent within oneself through Jongwa Jongsong. And for this purpose, in the first stage, there is Jongwa Jongsong, the Day of Pure Water, which is the process of purifying mind and body through sincere devotions. Next, a Hyojong relationship with a target person of evangelism must be established to help a healthy and beautiful relationship. When internal relationships develops externally, a strong network of relationships is formed. This is called inside-out principle. Hyojong coaching is a good tool for this. Fourth, the Hyojong team operates everything through Hyojong coaching style. The team leader must be a Hyojong coach when conducting sessions and interacting with VIPs. A coach is a person who helps to bring out the power of the original mind that is hidden within the other person. Therefore, rather than giving answers or teaching, we must help people understand and realize by themselves with respect, concern, and love. This mainly takes the form of listening, questioning, support, and feedback. Even in Hyojong sessions, if the team leader becomes a coach rather than a teacher to the team members, their growth will even be stronger. For this, all team leaders must become Hyojong coach. Looking at the contents of the 16-week Hyojong training camp, the team leader as a Hyojong leader is expected to do almost nothing but ask questions, listen, praise, and support. You should know that the 16-week manual was created based on this basic understanding of Hyojong coaching. The reason the 16-week session does not work well or is difficult is because the content is in a teaching style, not in coaching style. Therefore, all team members must make an effort and be patient to find out what they can learn from each other and must have interest and respect for each other's differences. In order to build great relationships, the way we greet each other on the team must also change. For example, a greeting like, "Peacemakers, how are you?" is good. And relationship building is more effective when it goes beyond one-on-one and works together as a team. Establishing a relationship actually means strengthening internal and external relationships. It is important to know the other person, give him or her the benefit he or she needs, and establish a win-win relationship. So, what is needed for a successful relationship? First, there may be many things, but the first and foremost is to make time to build relationships. Yojong team is doing well because team members spend a lot of time building relationships. Before the day's work begins, team members decide who they want to build a relationship with during the early morning Jongwa Chongsong. Share the information with the team members and write down how to execute the contents of action log. It is very important to set a time and place to meet and prepare the content of the meeting with sincerity and make time for it. We live our lives considering many hours of the day as important, but we must think about how much we value the time we spend meeting VIPs. The story of many family members who expressed difficulty was that they did not have time. This is also a matter of your own value. So now I will show you the 4W order process of the second session. First, the welcome part. So, how do you start it? You can start like this. I'm curious to know what happened to everyone last week. Let's have sharing time. There is a reason to ask if there has been any joyful events to each other. As family members, we go about our daily lives. We are greatly influenced by the external environment. In other words, we live under a lot of pressure from the environment. Because of this, it is easy for us or our mood and life to sway. Even if the external environment is harsh, the people of Cheonilguk should be able to live with good weather inside us, successful people. So it is very important to ask about each other's well-being and take an interest in each other. In particular, Yojong's life will break apart if we don't care about each other. Then, we will read the team vision, mission statement, and covenant together. Standing up and reading these creates a different atmosphere. When the team leader says the number 1, 2, 3, the mood goes up as the teammates read the following contents together. This is an expression of a strong commitment to live a purpose-centered life every time you do this. Now let's go to the icebreaker part. For Korean names, let's make a cool 3-line poem with the name of the person in front of us and present it. This part can be difficult, but for English names, it's better to make an acrostics for every alphabet of the name. The purpose of this is to make the members feel that they should be constantly interested in one another. There are times when this process does not go well. When this happens, it is a good idea for the team leader to encourage the members to think deeply about each other in order to make this acrostic. And you can send a text message to each other through online, KakaoTalk after the meeting. So the next is the worship part. So we usually spend 10 minutes for this. So we begin with a holy song, hymn, or gospel song. followed by a prayer from the team leader. In Korea, the songs like Gomse Mari and Saranghe are good, especially if you prepare in advance some fun moves. And now, for the word. My philosophy in life is to live for others. Wherever I go to practice living for others. I have walked a thorny path to give more love than anyone's parents' love and more than anyone's brother's love. If a person has something good, he keeps it for himself and gives something less good to others. The same is true for your parents. If we pursue only our own interests, we are trapped in the bandage of desire, and a life that puts others ahead is a shortcut to eternal blessings and freedom. When you share the word, it is a good idea to find the keywords in the word so that you can reflect or shout together, or you can share a topic. For example, in the word, I have walked the thorny path to give love. Share what it means to walk the thorny path to give love. In particular, share what kind of situation or true mother's feelings are like. But this is not a time for the study of the word. Since this word is quoted from lesson 2, which is practicing Yojong relationships, the leader should be able to respond effectively. Now for the work. After sharing your thoughts with the word, talk about the things in your life related to ministry. You can introduce in detail the people of VIPs you want to build the Yojong relationship with. After the introduction, the team leader will lead the members to call out the VIP's name out loud together. And then part of the idea of introducing your VIP in detail here is to make sure that everyone on the team doesn't feel awkward when you invite the VIP to a later meeting. Share what the team members can do for the VIPs. This is the most important time of this stage. During this time, the team will introduce their VIPs and share how they can help each other. It should also be a time for team members to share their strategies for the week. When a VIP is invited and everyone doesn't know him, it can't be a true invitation. The foundation of establishing a Yojong relationship is unconditional service. So here are some coaching questions that will help the team to discuss on how to build successful relationship with their VIPs. So the quantity or the state of your relationship with others means to find out what score you want and how to reach the desired score through team coaching or mutual coaching by the team leader. In order to have a deep Yojong relationship with others, it is also good to call the names of those persons during prayers at Chonshimon or to give Yojong coaching. So while doing Yojong coaching, you can discuss first how to invite them to a wonderful place that would be memorable for them. And then for closing, for the team to help you with the target person you want to build Yojong relationship with, it is important that you inform the team members of your specific plans, including time. Then check the situation of the team members to prepare for the next meeting. You could conclude the meeting with a passionate unison prayer together. Thank you very much. I hope that what I shared to you will be helpful for your future Yojong meeting for the second session.
Thank you
Yes.
so much. Yeah, thank you so much, Dinner Team Janim, for that video lecture. And we will proceed with the Q&A this time. But before that, I would like to I would like to share to you the video. The PPT of the lecture today. Is it okay?
Mm,
Or we will just go on with the Q&A.
if ever they have questions, and actually the PPT that will be shared later, if ever we need it, is the guideline for conducting lesson 2. So if you remember the first week and the second week, we spent learning about lesson 1, which is a day of pure water. So today, I shared to you about lesson 2. So if you will notice, we are learning actually the process of conducting conducting Hyojong team meetings. So maybe we should give time first for question and answer, because I noticed last week there were lots of questions, but we didn't have time. So regarding the uh, building of the forming of teams, or what are the things we will expect if we form a team, any questions will do, or suggestions. I know you have a lot of suggestions. Mm. So just unmute your mic, and or you can just like last week you wrote down in the chatting box your question. You could do the same. So still we have a lot of time.
팀장님,
Yes,
can
yes.
I just share the PPT per page? So if they have any
Okay,
question about
okay.
that page, then they can, right?
Okay, okay. That's better.
Just a minute. Yeah, just a minute.
Recording in progress.
So you can ask them if they have the question about this.
Okay. So
Because
prepare your question. So lesson 1, so actually the 16-week camp moves through a process. We are flowing with the 16-week camp. The first week is the pure water day, but we did it for 2 weeks because we are beginners. So all the 16-week camp, or all the Yojong meeting, should start with lesson 1, the purification of mind and body. So if you will start doing conducting the 16-week camp, the actual 16-week camp, you should start with lesson 1, and then today the next after lesson 1, of course, the lesson 2. So after purification of mind and body, which is actually a vertical relationship, purification of mind and body. So now we will build Yojong relationship. So in order to evangelize, we need to have vertical relationship first. So actually building Yojong relationship is moving through your team horizontally, building your Yojong relationship. So this is the so I think when I was uh, learning this process, actually during the actual online lecture, because it was in Korean, it was very hard for me to understand quickly. So I reviewed it many times in the YouTube videos. So I encourage you to also review in the YouTube videos so that you could really understand it. Actually, this lesson, especially the lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3, and lesson 4 are the very important parts in order to smoothly conduct all the 16-week lessons. So do you have any questions? I put a lot of time in order for you to have questions. Okay.
Jenny, I have a question.
Yes, yes.
By the way, this lesson 2, building Hyojin relationship,
Wait.
are we gonna have practice this process
So
for this process?
again, what is your, are you going to practice
Yeah.
today?
Yeah. Not
Okay,
today.
because we have a lot of time. Why not? Okay.
Today we're gonna practice today.
Okay, go back to, oh yes, move to the welcome part. Move. Okay, wait. Go back to the last part. If you don't have question. So, okay, so as you see, if you remember, all the Yojong meetings moves through 4W order. Welcome, worship, word, and work, which is actually an order like the worship service. So, okay, next. So we will start with welcome part. So how do we do this? So let's share something happy that happened last week. So we start with this in lesson 2. So you will ask your team members, can you share one happy event that happened last week? So I would like to ask Rowena from Ulsan. Rowena, because no questions are. Rowena?
Actually, may question po sana ako.
Sorry, okay, question. Okay, ask the question.
Kasi po 'di ba you had to share with your members, sabi niyo po. So,
Okay.
is it necessary 2 or more, or it can be also one person also if possible?
What do you mean you share? You want to make
Di
your
po
journey?
ba build a strong relationship,
Okay.
sabi
So,
po kasi last time ni Ate Winnie, kasi hindi po ako naka-attend last time, yung
mm,
parang Trinity po ba? So,
mm.
how if isa lang yung pwede mong i-meet that time?
So
Hindi.
so if your purpose is to practice this audio meeting, is that your question?
Opo.
So you will start with lesson 1. So we have a guideline lesson 1. So if you only have one person to meet first, yes, you can do it. If she's a member, so you could adopt with the system. It's okay. So you could learn the process. You could make your own style, but be sure what is important is you follow the 4W order. The 4W order. So if there's only one person, why not? It's not a problem. So,
Okay.
but our main purpose is at least 3 persons. So, but until 4, okay, no problem with that.
Okay po. Salamat po.
Okay, so for some questions, you just unmute your mic. So let me ask you, Rowena, can you share something happy that happened last week? Actually, this welcome part is
Okay.
this welcome part is actually to make an atmosphere to start the Kyojo meeting. So we start like, hi, Rowena, welcome to our Yojong team. Can you share something that happened last week?
Hello po. What happened last week is okay lang po yung personal?
Yes, if it's okay.
Okay. So happy kasi po yung result ng medical ng pangalawa kong anak is clear na po siya kasi previous 5 years na operahan po siya ng ovary. And
Your
naalis po
daughter.
yung, yeah, naalis po yung isang ovary niya and nagwo-worry po kami baka lalong lumala. So, kasi nga mahirap po sa mission. Pero nung last week naman po, sabi po ng doktor is fine naman po. So, yun po yung happy moment or happy things
Okay.
na nangyari.
As a mother, really, it's a very happy, we say happy, thankful
Mm.
event for
Yeah.
the last week. So when they share something as a leader, you also give some comments. So there's a give and take like this. So another one who wants to share happy moment or question. Some other. So this is and then of course to add, Rowena asked that if she could meet one person only. So when you are not yet ready for your team and you are forming your team, so if in order for you to start a Yojo meeting, it's okay that you make first your own vision, mission statement or covenant like this for the meantime if you want to meet your tentative uh, Yojong members like that. So, okay, so like the team mission, the team's vision is very important before before starting the the week one of Yojong meeting because that will be your roadmap. Because of that vision, you will have the mission statement and your covenant or your promise as a team. So, anyway, if you have questions about that, you can directly ask me through a direct message and I will help you with that. So, those who want to start, just directly ask me so I can help you with that. So, do you want to uh, anyway, next week, I will show you another video of the lesson 2, conducting lesson 2 meeting with our bamboo team. And anyway, my team, I am the team leader of Bamboo Hyojong team. So what are the things that you should prepare before making your own team? You should choose a name. So if you have a team to talk to, you should you should have a meeting with your team members. What is the good name for our team? So our team chose the name Bamboo. So our our vision, if you remember last week, our vision is our team's vision. When I say team's vision, let's recite our team's vision. When I say like this, then my team member will say, let's create a happy, hand-filled community centering on true love. You look at our vision. Then our bamboo mission statement. So, and then this and then during the welcome part, 8:41, no more question. During the welcome part, we also have icebreaker. This icebreaker part, if you see, make a cool 3-line poem. This icebreaker part is very useful when you invite a new member or especially guest or VIP. Why? As the word says, icebreaker, it makes the atmosphere lighter. So it's welcoming to the guest. So, for example, for the Korean name, if your name is Korean, it's a 3-line poem. 삼행시라고 그랬죠. 삼행시. But because we have English name, we use acrostics of English name. So when you say make acrostic for your name, so you have a guess. So let's say her name is Helen. H, honest sister. E, what? E, when you say E, what? Any word. E, extra special. So it's actually this is a fun way to start the Yodong relationship, and because it speaks about it shows your interest towards the sister or the guest. So you don't have any questions. So okay, Antoinette, make think of your questions. Yes.
Another question.
Okay.
I made a poem for an English name.
Oh yes, what name? You show.
Rosaline.
Rosaline.
Yeah.
You really love your spiritual mother. Okay.
Yeah.
R. Okay,
Okay.
start. R.
Radiant energy that brightens up the room.
Is Ate Rosaline here?
Yeah. O is optimism, shining, chasing away the gloom.
Okay.
S, strength and grace in everything you do. L, loyal and compassionate. Your presence, why? Your presence brings a warm and steady light.
Mhm.
And N, never failing to make the darkest days feel bright.
Okay. So this is very nice. So this is during the lesson 2 actually. It's good that if you have a guest or if you will invite a member to conduct this meeting as a Yojong leader, it's good that you prepare such acrostics so that it will excite the participants. So actually, even if you're not prepared, Filipinos can do many things about this because with my team, we always enjoy this icebreaker time. So, and then, okay, let's move to worship part. During the worship part, of course, the Hyojong team leader should choose a song that is familiar to everyone, so that everyone could resonate. So, especially if you have a guest, it's good that you know the favorite song of that person, so she could connect. So this is a wrong spelling, Gom's Emery. In our case, we always sing the song Sarangye. We always enjoy Sarangye in this session because it's building Yojong relationship, centering on true love. So Sarangye. And then Om Semari, it's good when you Kom Semari while moving, fun moves when you want to enjoy. But you can sing other gospel songs or Chonshimwon songs that talks about love and relationship, Kyojong, something like that. So this one. So and then the word actually I I uploaded the other, but it's when I was reading a while ago. So if you see the word, so during the word, you will read first. So you, as a Yodong team leader, you could read it loudly while the members are listening, or you could assign someone to read it. You could ask someone to read it. And then after reading, so actually the Yojong relationship, the topic on Yojong relationship uh, is centered. No, please go back to the word, Antoinette. So, no, the word, word reading again. Okay, so as if you will notice, the lesson 1 is about a day of pure water or Chongwa Chongsong. So the topic or the word of True Mother is about pure water day, pure water, purification. And lesson 2 is about building Kyojong relationship. So as a leader, you should know how to find the focus of the word. So because it is building Yodong relationship, you should catch where is the keyword in the word reading as a Yodong team leader, actually. So every word here has something to do with Yodong relationship building. So so um, before conducting lesson 2, you should already read the word in advance. And if ever there are members who will choose, let's say, example, practice living for the sake of others. So as a Yodong team leader, you should catch up and lead the member to the focus. What is the focus? What is the focus of this session? To build a Yodong give and take relationship with the members. That is the focus. Okay? So every topic has something to do with the title of the lesson. So during the word reflection, there are two ways to do it. You can choose a sentence or a phrase that members could resonate, or if it's very hard for the member, if you see that members cannot choose, just tell them choose one word and shout it out. Let's say uh living or phrase living for the sake of others. If they cannot uh if they cannot elaborate or share something so personal, just leave it that way, especially for beginners. In our case, we have done it 3 times, so it's very easy for us find uh, to find keywords and connect it with our past week activities. As you do it, you can be adapted to the to the process. Okay, so that's word reflection. You can make your own style, and then through the work, which is actually we call sayok in Korean, sayok yoksa. So this is the part where, as a Hyojong team, we will ask the Holy Spirit to work with us. The work. This is a important part. So here, uh, this is the time that the leader will ask, the Yodong team leader will ask the member on their uh, activities for the week. What did you do some witnessing, or did you actually Yodong relationship? During this part, you will ask, oh, how did you have how did you build Yodong relationship with your VIP? So VIP could be your children, could be your husband, your VIP, the one that you want to connect to heavenly parents. So so you can answer, I offered uh Homyong Kido or name calling prayer for my daughter this week. Or if you have someone to invite, this sister, this resting or inactive member, I offered prayer for her. Or you can say, I called her, I sent her text message and asked her something, and I also uh, uh, invited her to come to Sunday service tomorrow. Everything about relationship. So lesson 2, you report about your relationship to your VIP. So VIP could be your children, husband, and someone you want to witness. So you could also share your report about your actual activities, like, oh, we ate together. So why Yojong relationship is important? Because in order to witness our VIP, we should put time. We should give time to these people. To these people, it's very important that we should give time for them. Giving time to our members. And then for closing, it's up to you. So in our team, we usually do this. We usually close our Yojong meeting with unison prayer for our VIPs, or um, we could, if we will invite, actually the second part is a preparation to invite. So this is actually important. This um, closing part, you could pray also for the guests that you will invite for lesson 3. Lesson 3 is actually invitation. You will invite someone. So in if you want to invite or preparing for invitation, you could also request your teammate that I would like to invite this VIP to a coffee shop. Please pray for her so I could meet her. So so this is the time you could request. And then you will also inform. Actually, I already mentioned this in my lecture. If you will just listen. So I request you to listen again to my lecture. I already mentioned everything about it. And then, okay, so these are the coaching key questions. So for the Yojong team, this is for the Yojong team leader. During the question during the work time, you could ask them. So depending on what they are saying, you should be able to catch up. So what is the personality of that person? So if you want to invite that person, you should know also what is the personality of that person. Later, I will share to you the disc or the personality behavior assessment, especially if you want to make your own team. You should know the characteristic or the personality of your team member. Is she a dominant type, an influential type, a supportive type, or a conscientious type? So actually in our team, my core member, I am the influential supportive type. My Putim Jangnim or my assistant leader is the dominant and supportive type. So DS. And then the other member is the supportive type. So there are things to remember. Okay. So you don't have any questions? Hmm? Some more is Bishop Winnie here? Bishop Winnie uh
Yes.
Bishop Winnie. So do
Mm-hmm.
you have any comments? Do you
Mm,
so that I could
uh,
improve anything or something?
Actually, you're doing great. When you say, let's practice, one thing that we have to understand or do is this team is not just team.
Mhm.
The one Leonard Team Jang name is doing, or what Professor Gill is asking us, is to really develop that relationship within the team. So we will not be practicing this for the sake of practicing, but we will practice this in order to truly build the Hyojong team, and it will become like a foundation for expansion. So mas maganda kung magkakaroon tayo ng team, yun talagang very close na yung relationship natin bago tayo mag-expand with other people or yung mga VIPs. Yun ang isang napaka-importante. Yung relationship na yun. Kasi itong team na i-form natin, ito yung magiging core foundation ito yung magiging strength ng expansion natin in the future. The purpose of this Hyojong Camp is for us to learn how to do this and for us to truly build that foundation so that the expansion of our community will be settled or will be established, and then finally through our team the foundation will be settled. Yun ang isang nakikita ko na gustong ipagawa sa atin ni Professor Gill, and then through this process that Leonor Timjang Nim is teaching us is a very practical way. Kaya kung magpo-form na tayo ng team, make sure na yun yung team mo talaga. Doon mo ipa-practice kung paano natin gagawin to with other people. Kaya dapat hangga't maaari mga members din, 'di ba? Kasi makakatulong sa iyo. So within that team, as Yojong leader, ang isang ano to yung formula course ni True Parents, no? Pag ikaw yung leader ng team, sa'yo magsisimula lahat yung energy in order to build that team. So, tayo ang nag-aaral ngayon how to do this. So, tayo sa atin din magsisimula yung initiative. No? While we are learning, we can best learn pagka gagawin na natin to practically or substantially. So, wala namang magiging mali or walang shortcomings doon, walang mali kasi lahat tayo nagpa-practice di ba? Lahat tayo magta-try. Magta-try pa lang lahat tayo. So everything is okay. So yung mga in-explain sa atin ni Leonor, pwede nyo rin siyang i-adjust sa setting nyo. Parang ganon. Pwede nyo siyang i-develop more in your setting. So basically, the process and the things that should be done, ang pinaka-importante is how we can truly build that artistic relationship inside the team. So hindi lang siya for organizational setup. This is about relationship. Hyojong means relationship centered on true parents. The filial heart towards true parents, i-expand natin yun. Yun ang nakikita ko na dapat na ma-develop natin sa church. Actually, we are called Family Federation, pero inside our church, we don't have that kind of familial relationship. So this Yojong team na na ibibuild natin should be centered on that point, building that familial relationship, that Hyojong relationship centering on true parents. I don't know, Leonor, Timjang, kung
Okay. Thank you po, ate, for that support. Okay, so actually, I am just showing you the process, how to do it. So the lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3, lesson 4, it's actually a mechanism in order to build a Hyojong team. So as Bishop Winnie said, let's make our own team. Because actually, in my experience, we started about we started as 6 members, but everyone can join us. But actually, the core team member who were really united with me are only 2 persons. So you can start with many members, but in my case, these 2 persons became united with me. We can evangelize, and and others can join us because they really understood the process. So you should become one in heart, and so I think you will discover it with your team, and then so I think the first thing you should do is what Bishop Wayne said: start your own team and build. Actually, the Yojong team leader will actually the one who will build Yojong relationship with the members, because she will lead the process. But if the other members already understand the process, it's very easy to be one. to be a trinity, a strong trinity, to build a strong foundation. And then next week, today I showed you how to conduct the lesson 2, and next week, based on the Kanchana book, I will share you how to reflect on the word of true mother, the lesson 2. So the word, lesson 2, the proper way to reflect on that word. So remember, the core of all the Yojong meeting is the word of true mother. Okay, so next week will be the continuation of lesson 2. No more questions.
Okay, thank you so much, Dinner Tinjani. Do you have any announcements?
Announcements. Of course, we will meet again next week for the continuation of lesson 2. And please try to review the YouTube video, because I tried to record it because I don't want to miss the important parts of the explanation. Actually, the video is based on the explanation of Director Gill. So please watch it again. Explanation. Paul?
Yes, thank you so much. So now let us have our commemorative photo. Yeah, please turn on your videos and show your beautiful faces. Okay. So we only have we have 2 screens. Yes. Are you ready? 아버지, 어머니, 사랑합니다. Good. Isa pa? Just a minute. It's not moving. Okay. Yung ibang walang videos, please turn on your videos, please. Okay. Ready? 아버지, 어머니, 사랑합니다. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Just
Thank you so
now let's
Thank you so
offer.
much.
Yeah, let's offer our vow of gratitude to your parents before we end our session tonight. 차렷, 경배, 바로. Tonight is Director Gill here.
Director Gill is not with us
Here tonight. Yeah. So this time I would like to declare our session closed. Thank you so much
Thank
for
you.
your precious time, and see you
Bye
next
bye.
week.
Thank you.
감사합니다.
Kasi tayo ng ng Choryakido. Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye, good night. Thank you.
Hindi na tayo uwi.
Bye,
Bye,
Ate Bella. Nasa
everybody.
Chongpyong po kayo, te.
Hindi, nandito kami sa Tambo Center.
Okay po.
May ginagawa kaming Makikita nyo na lang sa linggo. Very special.
Nag-chimisan.
Meron pa ako dito mga architect tsaka designers.
Huwag mong ibulgar.
Mga architects and
Bye.
designers.
Let's
wala
wait
mga
for our
license.
canceling to close.
Ayan eh. Good
Okay,
night.
bye-bye. See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you next week.
Thank
Thank
you
you for listening.
Ne.
Ne.